Hello, what is your name?
My name is Jenny Villesa Pajo.
How old are you?
I'm 47 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic,
Are you married?
separated.
Okay, so do you have kids?
Yes, one boy, 22 years old,
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
13 years and 8 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes, in 3 years in Taiwan.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
8 months.
Where's your employer living in?
Saigon.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
2000.
How many family members there?
2 adult and 2 kids.
Okay, how old the kids?
1 year old and 3 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
Get up in the morning at 6 so that I can to prepare myself, and I have to start work at 7, and then I have to prepare first the breakfast. After the breakfast, then I have to take care with the kids.
Okay.
Then after that one, then I have prepare for their snack. For after breakfast, they have some playing, and then I have to prepare breakfast, and then after that one, they're going to nap.
Okay.
And then after when they get up, then I have to let them their lunch, and then playtime again.
Okay, do you go market?
Yeah.
Okay, so how about dinner? What time you cook?
Dinner, I have to prepare that one 6 because we have to start 6:30.
Okay, so what time they eat?
6:30 because of the kids.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
I go to bed after I let them go to bed, the kids, and then 9.
Okay,
After 9.
okay, okay, thank you so much.
No problem. You're welcome.